Hey everybody, today I'll be reviewing some unicorn putty and a surprise slime egg. Let's get started with the surprise slime egg. So inside, let's see. This is so pretty. It's not on the color, but like really, that Victoria just texted me, have you sent my package yet? No. Sorry. Don't have any of it ready. But anyways, let's get on to the ASMR. Ladies and gentlemen. Since it wasn't an egg, I'm gonna put it on the tray. Maybe I'll just leave it on here for a bit. Sorry, I'm remaking it squishy. But just leave it on here until the end of the video. So yeah, that's that. The next one, sorry. Yeah? Yeah? Really? Wow. Oh. I don't know. I thought that they were 50. Huh. This is... This is the pudding. Let's see how. Let's try to do this putty. How do you open this? Oh, there's plastic, of course. Just a bit. Ew.
Go ahead and wash all that stuff with some socks and undies. One big load done.
This is more like slime than a potato, but it has a unicorn in it. Let's get it out. It's a blue unicorn. Let's see. Let me lay that one out. See. Let's try to do this right up here. They both barely even stretch, but whatever. Whenever this one stretches out a lot, it's very good. Let's put it inside of here so it looks like it's underwater. Hands under. Looks like a Slender Man head. Oh, why is it not focusing? There we go.
You playing a little bit?
Yeah. Rip. Literally. Okay. Okay, now let's just put the spark in the egg. Rip it in half. Put the one half in the bottom of the top pan, the other half in the bottom of the other top pan. And then you close it. Boom. Now with this one, let's do this. What do you need? Oh, it's like ASMR. Let's flip it over and the unicorn do some ASMR. Okay. Anyways. It is so oh my god. It is so sparkly. And yeah. I love it. And there it goes back in its little container. And yeah. Let's add it to my slime collection at my dad's house. Okay. I'm sorry, but there's a loose slime out here, and I don't. So satisfying? Okay. That's what really satisfying. It's so pretty, the color. Ew, 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 that's nasty, man. But it's super, like, jiggly. It's like that jiggle slime texture. Texture. Let's put it in this empty slime container. I'm sorry. Not that. There you go. Boom. Shakalaka. Then there's these two. They're like that jiggly slime texture too. Perfect. Yes. Yes. Blah. They're both this texture. Actually, all of them are, except for the two new ones that I got. So let's just start placing them in. This one will go right there. This one will go right there, and this one will go right here. This one will go right here. No, the unicorn. Where's the unicorn at? Okay, phew, found it. Just open it back up and do some more ASMR. Is it that clear that I can like poke it and my finger goes in? Not really, but still. So you take half of it. It says on the instructions how to get the unicorn back in correctly. You take half of it, smush it down in there, put the unicorn down in there, you know, make like a little print, and then they said cover it up. So that's how you do it, people. And then the egg. It's like a perfect egg. I got to put that back in there. Sorry, egg, for messing with you. Phew. This one needs to be setting up right, so let's just replace that. That's how it looks. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. And comment down below if you want me to do a review on. Let me go and show you this. Not my cat. It's a surprise. Like my best friend got it for me. Or one of my best friends. The Nickelodeon slime kit. Comment down below if you want me to do this. and I'll see you guys later. Bye.